Hey everyone, and welcome to the XRCC YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey of creating amazing XR experiences together. Today, we'll give you a quick overview of XRCC, the no-code platform that makes building XR experiences easier than ever. XRCC is powerful and intuitive, designed for everyone from seasoned developers to complete beginners. It's a no-code platform, meaning you can create immersive virtual worlds, interactive games, or engaging training simulations without writing a single line of code. Let's explore the XRCC interface. Here's the home page. You can easily manage your projects, save and open files, and even bookmark and filter your creations for easy access. We've got you covered with online tutorials for all skill levels, from beginner to advanced. Plus, XRCC is collaborative. Work with others to build amazing XR experiences together. Creating a new project is simple. Just fill in the project and scene name, add a description, and choose your preferred starting scene. We'll select Empty Scene for this demonstration. Now you're in the XRCC editor. This is your blank canvas. You'll find all the tools you need in the convenient drop-down menus on the left. And if you want to work even faster, check out the handy keyboard shortcuts. We'll cover these in detail later. XRCC offers familiar 3D functionality. You can adjust skybox colors and images, and easily select and add common objects like text, images, and lights. The left panel provides quick access to frequently used assets. Let's add a text object. See how easy it is to position, rotate, scale, and offset it using the intuitive object controls. You can also duplicate, hide, lock, and manage your objects efficiently using the item panel. Parenting objects simplify the management of groups. Here are the entity and scene panels, allowing you to manage your assets and review your work before adding new scenes. XRCC also provides a wide variety of special objects, 3D models, and default assets to help you hit the ground running. And finally, the Behavior Editor. This is where you add interactivity to your creations without any programming. We'll dive deep into the Behavior Editor in upcoming tutorials. So, are you ready to create your own XR world? Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to like and share this video. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Your creativity your way. See you in the next video.